Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find the recycle bin on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. So we can find the trash, for instance, by going to settings, and then we need to find and go to device care over here, then tap on storage, and over here we have trash. If you go there, you will have probably some apps that are using the bin. So let's say we're gonna open gallery, and over here you should be able to find everything that has been removed in the last 30 days. And if something stays for 30 days, then after that time it is being removed permanently. And of course the same goes with my files, it looks pretty similar. In addition to that, you can also go to files by Google. So if you use let's try to find it. Actually, we'll see if there is one, and no, it's not there. But let's say we can use photos by Google. So if you use this app for something like for checking photos, etc., then we can simply go to, let's actually continue without the backup. There we go. And then we can also go to library, and then over here we have trash. So if something is removed, for instance, by using this app, by using Google Photos, then all these removed items will be found in trash instead over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!